Here's a 3D print that my daughter wanted me to make for my grandson Ruben for his room, and as you can see, the print didn't quite make it. This, I want to say it was almost 40 hours, this print job, and you could see where it decided it didn't want to work anymore. I'm going to try something. I'm not sure this is going to work, but I'm hoping I can slice this off and then we can reposition it, glue it down. My son-in-law, my daughter's husband, he's getting really good at painting miniatures and such like that, and I'm sure he can do some paint magic and blend this if I can successfully remove this. So we're going to see. This is my foam cutter. I got this specifically for my guitar project, which I haven't completed yet, and I'll get back to that later, I guess. And I'm hoping, okay, that's pretty close. So let's give this a try. I'm hoping that this foam cutter is hot enough to cut to PLA. Oh, I see smoke. That's a good sign. I'm also hoping that the base there is flat enough, the supports, that it is going to stay straight. Okay, it's looking pretty good on this side. I'm not seeing it yet on this other side. Boy, if this works, this will be fantastic. You can tell right now, I should have put on my respirator. This stuff stinks. So far, so good. So far, so good. Okay, kind of let that wire come back. I mean, I don't want to stop and linger and burn a hole in things. And yeah, I imagine this is fantastic viewing. Oh my, so far so good. Okay, it's raising up a little over here, a little lower, so this is a little bit higher than over there, but not by much. I got pretty close to dialing this in. I wasn't intending on putting this on my YouTube channel since it's a metal casting channel, but I also do a fair amount of 3D printing stuff, and this constitutes 3D printing. Okay, careful, because we're so close to it being done. So close. There we go. And oh no, it melted right back on. It melted right back on. I didn't think about that. Okay. Oh, otherwise it went just exactly the way it was supposed to. All right, so let's see what I can do now, if I can pull it up as I'm cutting. I don't think so. And then I'm pushing down rather than letting this thing go free. Yeah, I'm not feeling any give at all. I think I'm just remelting. It's cooling off and melting right back in place. Oh, bummer. All right, let me get this through again. Didn't even think of that. it was just going to re-adhere. Is there a way I can lift that up as I'm going along? I got to put something, I got to have something right behind the wire, I think. Can I get away with just a single piece of paper? That'd be enough. Okay, now I'm going to be careful because that did spring back, and I don't want this going across the back of my hand. I've got a pocket knife here. I'm seeing if I can separate it. No. Okay, so the question is, can I put a piece of paper or something behind that as we're going along? So let's find out. No, that's not working. Okay. I gotta find a way to kind of lift that up. Boy, so close to recovering this. Don't want to give up super easy. Go. No. No. All right. Thinking that is not going to work. Oh gosh, though it was so close. So close. I don't know how to shim that to lift it up as we're going along. Not without burning myself. Yeah, it doesn't feel like... No, it's not. Yeah, in fact... Okay. Could try the bandsaw. Could try the bandsaw. I was kind of hoping that... It never occurred to me that it would just re-adhere. And the problem with the bandsaw is whether or not I can find a backstop. So let me look at what I got for my bandsaw. Well, let's give this a try. Got a guide here, and hopefully I can just bring this guy right along. Although I see where I gotta get this guy over here so he's not in the way. All right, that looks pretty close. Pretty close. Maybe just a smidge inside. Maybe not inside, but outside. Thought I had this all dialed in. All right, I'm gonna go with that. I think that's close enough. Got the clamps so they're not on my guide. Here we go. I feel the need to put on gloves. All right, now let's give it a try. Alright, I've already seen why this didn't work. It didn't hit me until after I started cutting. First of all, I was concerned about the friction, and it melted things. But I've got a draft on that thing that I use. It's not a 90-degree angle. Yeah, this is not savable. Bummer. No, I'm going to go back and I'm going to see if about cutting that off. Who knows? Maybe something miraculous can still happen. Well, I would have done a much better job if I would have just freehanded that. I mean, I've been using that bandsaw for a while now. I mean, I'm halfway decent at cutting stuff. I should have, instead of using the guide, I should have just... Alright, let's see what we can do here. Let me change the angle here. Sorry for the motion sickness. Right, anyone who's a long-time viewer knows that my channel's probably not known for its production value. Okay. Can it be reassembled? Boy, can my son-in-law do something with that? Don't know. Still make it look good? Nah, I don't think so. I think I'm just going to need to reprint. Interesting. I do have the honeycomb underneath to use it kind of as to line it up. Yeah. Well, I'm going to give it to him. Who knows? Maybe he can do something to make that look halfway decent. But I'm going to actually reprint. Darn it. Okay. I'm still going to probably put this on YouTube anyway. I mean, it is a video. Okay. Yeah, not everything I do even comes close to turning out. I think that's one of the realities. And you know, in terms of accuracy or honesty, however you want to phrase it, it's okay to show the failures, I think. I'll let people know that if they're not meeting success every time, what it all means. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Thanks a whole bunch for watching. If you found this video entertaining, informative, or any such things like that in any way, shape, or form, please like and subscribe. Blessings.